these fans don't blow hot air out of the cards. I've learned this recently. I think I knew it before, but I've been reminded of it. They draw cooler air into the card, and then that gets sent through here and blown out the back, where those vents were on the back on the previous video. With this case, and a lot of newer cases now, you have these openings in the bottom which let cooler air come in through the body. You can see my little thing there, little stylus there. And I have this fan installed. I have it installed so that the air will be drawn in and blown into the case. You can tell you got it hooked up that way because you'll see this wire harness for the motor. If you can see the wire harness for the motor on the fan, that means you have it installed so that you're bringing cooler air into the case. If you have it installed like this one, where you can't see the wire harness, that means you have the fan installed so that it will draw warm air out of the case and blow it out the back. Useful tips.